Hey everyone, Sebastian here, and well, I decided to. This is actually my first, actually a first for me. My first multi unboxing. I got 3 packages off of eBay. Yes, you heard right, 3. I'm gonna. Okay. Come on. Gonna unbox, try and open. Just want to make sure. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, hey, I got a Rampage. And yes, it came with instructions. That's good. Okay, that's great. There's a shipping label. Ooh, wait. Sorry. Sorry if I accidentally. Open. I got another Lego set. What is this Lego City set? Fire Chief set? I mean, one of the reasons I got is 2 reasons would be to embiggen my Lego City Fire Department. Okay, so this cat owner minifigure I can use it for Tessa when I do my Age of Extinction stop motion. Finally, the big one. Okay, big one. Okay, I got 2 things. I got a Prowl. the blades. I got myself a blaze. Okay, last up is a VHS tape of a show where I watched the first episode of on YouTube. But a tape of this show is coming in the mail. Just has to have to be a surprise. It is VHS, so I'll just give you a hint. The show's from the 90s. Anyways, this is everything I have so far. This is Splash Shark saying see you next time.